Hey everyone, Jacob with MarineMax Savannah here, and today I am showing you a 2025 Sea Ray SPX 230. This Sea Ray comes on a tandem axle galvanized trailer. It's obviously very sleek with this black color. Go ahead and bring you on inside here. All right, so here we are inside this 2025 Sea Ray SPX 230. As you can see with most Sea Rays, generally all of them, they have this great layout, this L-shaped design. It's great for the family, it's good for company. This is a wonderful day boat. You've got a tower up here. You can fold out this bimini top, get some great shade and whatnot. Show you right over here. It does have a portable head in it, which is really nice for a 23-foot boat. You know, that's not always standard when you're talking about a boat of this length. Okay, we'll go ahead and move up here to the bow, and I'll show you some of the features up here. Obviously, you've got some great seating, very spacious. You've got the two Fusion speakers on either side. You've got plenty of storage up under those seats as well. And then the anchor locker is very accessible as well. It's just that hatch right there. Very easy to get to, very manageable. And if you come back over here, I'll bring you to the helm right here. You've got the Simrad, which is pretty unique with most Sea Rays. You've got this almost flush-mounted acrylic dash. Once again, you have that nice leather upholstery right there on top. Fusion stereo system and the Mercury motor setup. Down here, you've got USB port plug-ins, and you've got a 12-volt power outlet as well. You can plug in pumps to that, or if there's any sort of inflatables you want to blow up, it's great for that right there. And I'll bring you back over here, show you some of this more storage right here. These storage compartments have drains as well, so if you want to make it into a cooler, you can. You got a nice Fusion subwoofer right here. There is courtesy lighting throughout the vessel. Like you can see this one right here. That's really nice when it's dark out and you want to make your way up and out. More storage right in here. You've got some cup holders right here and another 12-volt outlet right there. And then if I go like this, I can bring this up right here. Obviously a ton of room down in there. That could be all of your water sport activities. That could be your fenders, your lines, really anything you want to bring onto the boat. And then you've got the nice wide layout plan here. This is your tow hook. Sorry, your tow bar for any sort of water skiing or any sort of water sport activities you want to do. And then I'll wrap us up here with saying that you've got a swim ladder. It's kind of hard to see with where we're at. There's a swim ladder that deploys right out the back there. It is telescopic. And then you've got the Mercury 250 V8. This boat is very well powered, easy to use, and a ton of fun. My name's Jacob, and this is the MarineMax Savannah location, and we look forward to seeing you.